Expand the realm of possibility and awaken your infinite potential with these fluid, fun and strengthening Tripsichore Circles. An intermediate sun salutation to open and release tension in the chest and upper back, as well as strengthen the shoulders, spine and legs. Use your breath to flow and guide you through the movements, making the salutation fluid, smooth and controlled. Please make modifications as you need with bent knees, low lunges, or modify the connecting Vinyasa to a cobra. We begin in Samasthiti at the top of the mat. Inhale, rise through the crown of the head, and exhale, ground through the feet. Inhale, circle arms outwards to upward salute. Exhale, return palms to center. Inhale, circle arms behind and over the head. Exhale, L-shaped half fold. Continue to sweep the arms back toward the hips and inhale the circle forward. Repeat these circles twice, keeping the hands in line with the shoulders. Exhale, drop the body to soft bent knee fold, and inhale, step back right leg to high lunge. Circle the arms above the head and exhale as you interlace the fingers to press. Inhale, frame the front foot. Exhale, spinal ripple to down dog. Inhale, high plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward dog. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, lift right leg, three-legged dog. Exhale, step foot to hands in high lunge. Inhale, circle the arms up and over to interlace the fingers, and exhale to press the knuckles towards the heel. Inhale, lift the back leg through warrior three, step forward to your L-shaped fold. Exhale, sweep the arms by the hips. Inhale, circle forward. Exhale, drop the body to soft bent knees. Inhale, rise to stand, and exhale, return to Samasthiti. Repeating on the left. Inhale, circle arms outwards to upward salute. Exhale, return palms to center. Inhale, circle arms behind and over the head. Exhale to your L-shaped forward fold. Continue to sweep the arms back towards the hips and inhale, circle forward. Repeat twice more. And exhale, drop the body to the soft bent knee full fold. Inhale, step back left leg to high lunge, circle arms above the head, and exhale, interlace the fingers to press. Inhale, frame the front foot, and exhale, spinal ripple to down dog. Inhale, plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Inhale, lift left leg, three-legged dog. Exhale, step foot to high lunge. Inhale, circle arms up and over to interlace fingers. Exhale, press. Inhale, lift back leg through warrior three. Step forward to the L-shaped fold. Exhale, sweep the arms by the hips. Inhale, forward. Exhale, drop the body to soft bent knee. Inhale, rise to stand. Circle the arms above the head and exhale, return to Samasthiti. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out and repeat twice more on the right and the left sides.